Want to boost your Amazon sales? You're in the right place. In the competitive world of Amazon, standing out and driving sales requires a strategic approach. It's not enough to simply list your products and hope for the best. This guide will equip you with 5 proven strategies to increase your Amazon sales, starting today. We'll break down each strategy into actionable steps, providing you with the knowledge and tools to succeed. Get ready to watch your sales soar. Your product listing is your storefront on Amazon. A compelling listing can be the difference between a customer clicking add to cart or moving on to a competitor. First, craft a clear and concise product title that accurately reflects your product. Incorporate relevant keywords that potential customers might use when searching for products like yours. Next, write detailed and engaging product descriptions. Highlight the key features and benefits of your product using bullet points for easy readability. Don't forget to include high-quality images that showcase your product from multiple angles. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially on Amazon. High-quality images can significantly impact a customer's purchasing decision. Use professional-looking images that are clear, well-lit, and showcase your product in the best possible light. Consider using a variety of images, including close-ups, lifestyle shots, and images that demonstrate the product's size and scale. Allow customers to zoom in and see the details of your product. Images can evoke emotions and build trust, making the customer more likely to purchase. Keywords are the words and phrases that customers use to search for products on Amazon. By incorporating relevant keywords into your product listing, you can increase your product's visibility and attract more potential buyers. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for your product. Use these keywords strategically in your product title, bullet points, product description, and back-end keywords. Remember, the goal is to use keywords naturally and organically. Don't stuff keywords into your listing, as this can harm your ranking and readability. Section 5. Leverage Amazon. Advertising gets seen, get sales. In today's competitive e-commerce landscape, visibility is key to driving sales and growing your business. Amazon advertising can be a powerful tool for boosting your product's visibility and driving sales. By strategically placing your products in front of potential customers, you can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. With Amazon's pay-per-click or PPC advertising platform, you can create targeted campaigns that put your products in front of the right customers. This means you only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it a cost-effective way to reach your audience. There are different types of Amazon ads, including sponsored products, sponsored brands, and product display ads. Each type of ad serves a unique purpose and can help you achieve different marketing goals. Experiment with different ad formats and targeting options to find what works best for your business. Sponsored products ads can help you promote individual listings, while sponsored brands ads can increase brand awareness by featuring your logo and a custom headline. Set a budget for your advertising campaigns and track your results closely. Monitoring your ad spend and performance metrics will help you understand which strategies are working and which need adjustment. By monitoring your ad performance, you can optimize your campaigns over time to maximize your return on investment, or ROI. Regularly analyzing your data will allow you to make informed decisions and continuously improve your advertising efforts. Remember, the key to successful Amazon advertising is to stay flexible and adapt to changing market conditions. Section 6. The power of reviews. Building trust and driving purchases. In today's digital marketplace, customer reviews hold immense power. They are not just comments, they are the building blocks of trust and credibility for your brand. Customer reviews are crucial for building trust and credibility on Amazon. When potential buyers see positive feedback from other customers, it reassures them about the quality and reliability of the product. This social proof can be the deciding factor in their purchasing decision. Positive reviews can significantly influence purchasing decisions, while negative reviews can deter potential buyers. A single positive review can tip the scales in your favor, making your product stand out in a crowded marketplace. Conversely, negative reviews can raise red flags, causing potential customers to hesitate or look elsewhere. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews by providing excellent customer service and following up with post-purchase emails. A simple thank you email with a gentle reminder to leave a review can go a long way. Personal touches and exceptional service make customers feel valued and more likely to share their positive experiences. You can also utilize Amazon's Request a Review button to remind buyers to share their feedback. This feature is a convenient tool that automates the process, ensuring that you consistently gather reviews without having to manually reach out to each customer. Address negative reviews promptly and professionally. Acknowledge the customer's concerns, apologize if necessary, and offer a solution. This shows that you are attentive and committed to customer satisfaction. A thoughtful response can show potential customers that you care about your customer satisfaction and are committed to resolving issues. It demonstrates that you value feedback and are willing to go the extra mile to ensure a positive experience for all customers. This proactive approach can turn a negative situation into an opportunity to build trust and loyalty. Section 7. Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, convenience that converts. Fulfillment by Amazon is a service that allows you to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers and leverage their vast fulfillment network. With FBA, Amazon handles the picking, packing, shipping, and customer service for your orders. This frees up your time and resources to focus on other aspects of your business. FBA also offers benefits such as fast and free shipping for Prime members, increased buy box eligibility, and improved customer satisfaction. Section 8. Monitor and adapt. Stay ahead of the curve. The Amazon marketplace is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the competition, it's essential to monitor your performance, analyze your data, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Track key metrics such as sales, conversion rates, customer reviews, and keyword rankings. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Stay informed about the latest Amazon policies, algorithm updates, and industry trends. By staying agile and adapting to change, you can ensure the long-term success of your Amazon business. Section 9. Pricing strategies. Finding your sweet spot. Pricing your products strategically is crucial for attracting customers and maximizing profits. Set prices that are competitive within your niche while also ensuring a healthy profit margin. Consider factors such as your costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value when determining your pricing strategy. Experiment with different pricing models such as tiered pricing or volume discounts to find what resonates best with your target audience. Section 10. The Human Touch Exceptional Customer Service. Exceptional customer service is paramount on Amazon. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally, addressing their concerns with empathy and understanding. Provide clear and concise information about your products, shipping policies, and return procedures. Go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. A positive customer experience can lead to repeat purchases, positive reviews, and valuable word-of-mouth referrals. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey to Amazon success starts now. Boosting your Amazon sales is an ongoing journey that requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to adapt. It's not just about listing products and waiting for sales to roll in. You need to be proactive, constantly learning, and ready to pivot when necessary. By implementing the proven strategies outlined in this guide, you can position your business for success in the competitive Amazon marketplace. These strategies are designed to help you stand out from the crowd, attract more customers, and ultimately increase your sales and profitability. Remember to optimize your product listings, leverage Amazon advertising, cultivate positive customer reviews, utilize fulfillment by Amazon, and continuously monitor and adapt to market trends. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in your overall success. Optimizing your product listings ensures that your products are easily found by potential customers. Leveraging Amazon advertising can drive more traffic to your listings, while positive customer reviews build trust and credibility. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your Amazon sales soar. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your business. The Amazon marketplace is dynamic, and staying ahead of the curve is key to long-term success. The power to achieve your Amazon goals is within your reach. With determination, hard work, and the right strategies, you can turn your Amazon business into a thriving enterprise. So, take the first step today and embark on your journey to Amazon success. The possibilities are endless, and your potential is limitless.